So we will have the presentation by Mr. Seung-Hwan
Yeah.
Lee from SW Chemicals. Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much attending our IR station. So today I will introduce shockwave synthesized diamond. So my name is Seung-Hwan Lee. I'm CEO of the SW Chemicals. SW Chemicals established 2019 January. Up to now, we get the invest around $3 million, and also we got the government grant around $6 million. We developed the chemical purification process of the shockwave synthesized diamond, and also we established the factory, and also we can produce the nano diamond and also polycrystalline diamond. So our factory is located in Namon area in South Korea, and also we have the facility to synthesize the nano diamond and the polycrystalline diamond in our factory site. SW Chemicals have the technique to the to produce the detonation synthesized nano diamond. We are first time in Korea, and also we have the world best purification skill, and we also have the world class diamond dispersion skill. This is our product. We have the purified nano diamond powder. We are producing purified nano diamond powder with the 5 grade, and also we have the nano diamond suspension various grade and in the various solvent. Also, recently we also developed to synthesize polycrystalline diamond with different particle size. We have the 5 PhD person and 2 master person, and also 7 bachelor degree person. This is our business sector for the detonation synthesized non-diamond. Detonation synthesized non-diamond is exactly same structure of the synthetic diamond. However, detonation nanodiamond is 5 to 10 nanometer, and we can functionalize their surface. Nanodiamond also have the high hardness and electrical insulator chemical stability. Actually, this is a processing production process. So to synthesize nanodiamond, first we are using the TNT RDX in the detonation chamber. After the detonation, we can produce the nanodiamond suit. After that, you can purify the suit with the different grade, low purity to the high purity, and also we can disperse it in the various solvent, then we can get the different grade and the various solvent product. So nanodiamond powder and the suspension we can provide to the various industry. This is the how to synthesize our nanodiamond. So our system have the around 75 decibel to 80 decibel. That is a very small noise. So why we can make our we can make our factory in the industrial complex area, because the noise is very small, and this is a very safe process. Oh, nano diamond market is will be growing to after the 2006 26. I think 70% CAGR, and the main application is lubricant, polishing, electroplating. So Europe area very interesting about the polishing area, because the Europe area is a well developed range or high techniques. And also we have the big customers in Finland. Carbon is one of the main player in nanodiamond area. So nowadays we are one of the major supplier of the nanodiamonds. They request around 500 kilogram per year. And the next one is a polycrystalline diamond. So polycrystalline diamond is one particle have the multi grains. So this is a very unique. Normally, polycrystalline diamond is synthesized outside of the outside. So they exploded the outside. They required 21-kilometer area because there are a lot of noise and vibration is generated. So they cannot produce a large amount because there is no land to produce more amount. So Pure On is one of the major producer. However, they want to increase the synthesize polycrystalline diamond more amount. However, the area is limited, so they want to synthesize in the chamber. So we have the chamber technique and also we have the explosive technique. So this polycrystalline diamond is a oil industry machining tool, the CFR machining tools or CMP slurry for the silicon carbide or sapphire vapors. Uh, Polycrystalline diamond have the keep growing. Their market is keep growing, and the report expect that 2028 the market is 1,690 million. And we have the customers, the Pure On, located in Switzerland. They are producing the only one vendor is producing polycrystalline diamond by the detonation. So we had a NDA and we developed them together to synthesize the polycrystalline diamond in the detonation chamber. Actually, their business sector is purchased from the DuPont. DuPont produced personally developed the detonation synthesis method. However, they sell the division to the Pure On. Nowadays, the Pure On producing the polycrystalline diamond for site in USA. However, they cannot producing more amount because they required a lot of the big land or mining area. So they are very interesting about the synthesis of the polycrystalline diamond in the chamber. So we are collaborating together. And in France, one of the big company, Diamond CMP slowly, the Saint Gobain, and we are very interesting about their contacting with Saint Gobain because they have several Diamond slowly product and they are one of the major company for the Diamond CMP slurry and also they have a good product for the silicon carbide, the vapor industry. So at this time, I want to join the Bibatech because of the Saint Gobain and the Pure On and the Carbodel to meet in the Bibatech. Thank you.
Okay, thank you very much for your presentation. And you already replied to my question about Vivatech, but still again, so you want to go to Vivatech to meet these partners. Do you have any other objective at Vivatech? Maybe understanding more the market or more the industry here, or is only for these partner meetings?
Okay, so actually, so Europe is a well developed this kind of shockwave synthesized diamond area because in France they have the pine technique for the CMP slurry with the diamond and also Finland and Switzerland is a one of the big companies there. So I think that Bivatech is a good chance to meet something like in another we can open the new market and we can find some customers. And also nowadays we are open the round so we can meet some of the investors in the Bivatech. So I hope that to meet them.
Okay. And right now, what's your stage of development? Do you already have a market ready or it's still a prototype?
Oh, we already make the factory, so now we already finished the Series A, so we want to jump into the Series B. So right now we want to make the more we want to increase our facility and also finding more customers, and we are shooting the IPO 2030 around. So yeah, nowadays is the commercialization stage.
Okay. And what are the key industries that are driving demands for nano diamonds and PD, like a polycrystalline?
Polycrystalline
Yeah,
diamond, yeah.
yeah.
Oh, actually, nano diamond and the polycrystalline diamond, they has a main application area, just the diamond slurry polishing area. They are using the both of them. That is one of the, I think that one of the major application. And the other thing is nowadays they are very interesting about the oil additive with the nano diamond, because the nano diamond is just spherical, small, and they can reduce the friction. So we can increase the automobile efficiency, something like in that. So, or yeah, as an additive of the lubricant, that is also very attracting area. And nowadays we are also developing, the collaborating together, one of the biggest Japanese oil company. So they are very interesting that area. The other area is maybe semiconducting area. Nano diamond put the oil, we can increase the summer conductivity. That is also we are opening the new market for the application.
Okay. It's very, very wide, different
Yeah.
scope of area you can work with. And what challenge do you face in scaling the production and also expanding in international markets?
Oh, okay. Up to now, most of the case, if the company using the explosive, there are a lot of restriction in there. So especially in Korea, to using the explosive, we get a lot of licenses. So everybody do not think that just a small company, startup company, it's impossible to use explosive to synthesize the nano diamond or polycrystalline diamond. So there is, we already got all of the license and the a certified person. However, but they are not. It's hard to believe that our company get all of the license. That means that to persuading our customers, and also they want to visit our site, and then they believe that. So the time required just a little bit longer time to introduce our ability. So that is yeah.
Okay,
Actually,
yeah.
yeah, that is a big problem.
It's mostly trust. So you just need maybe more customer story and feedback to share, so you can get
Yeah.
better trust. Okay, and what are you working on now on the next advancement to make it even more scalable or more efficient for industry?
For the scalability, so you mean the collaboration partners,
No,
or
more on the research.
uh,
Did you already achieve something that is done and you're
yeah,
only working on producing more, or you're still researching to improve your results or the process? And
yeah, I see. Actually, we are Actually, we are done for the nano diamond synthesis, and our price is much cheaper than China, Russia, any other countries. So price, technique, and also scalability. We already have the factory, so we are the biggest factory in the world. However, polycrystalline diamond is a more big market. However, the efficiency is just slightly lower to produce the mass production. So we may need around 1 year to fully develop the scale, the mass production of the polycrystalline diamond. So why we are opening Stage B for the investment. So maybe next 1 year we need to optimize the process, and then that's enough to producing mass production. So I think that's it.
Okay. No, that's a good way and a good path for you to work on. So that's very good. Then I will see you next week at Vivatech. Hope you can also
Yeah.
maybe bring some not sample, like maybe sample like
Yeah,
people
sure.
can understand, and I hope you can have good meetings with all the partners you want to meet in France.
Yeah.
Thank you
Okay, thank
for
you.
replying to my question. Thank you. See you next week in
Thank you.
Paris.
See you next week.